What's up, guys? We are here in JPM. We're doing the final random for Philly and Detroit. Top gets Philly, bottom gets Detroit. So, what am I typing? I'm typing Detroit. We'll go live, and that is live at 2:39. It's 2:39 here in Denver. I will go grab this list. We got Daniel on the bookends. Get a new list. Daniel on the bookends. No spaces in between. We're going 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2. Daniel on top and Samich after 2. Our first time stamp is 2:39. It is 2:39. Just turned 2:40. And guys, third and final time. Good luck, everybody. Daniel Bogdan gets Philly, and Rob gets Detroit. Congratulations, guys. And that final timestamp is at 2:40. It is 2:40. Guys, again, 3 times. Daniel and Rob, congrats.